Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman Lola, and today I'm going to talk about some cocktail drinks based on vodka, gin, whiskey, rum, and tequila. And some of the vodka-based cocktails are vodka martini, Bloody Mary, and Black Russian. Okay, vodka martini. Vodka martini, we need the ingredients like ice and 2.5 ounce of vodka and half ounce of dry vermouth and green olives for garnish. First of all, we have to freeze the martini glass for 15 minutes. Then after, there are two ways for making this vodka martini. One is by second and other one is stirred. For second, fill the cocktail glass shaker with ice, add the vodka and vermouth and shake until well chill and steam into a martini glass. Garnish olive oil and lemon peel and then serve. And the next one is Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is a cocktail containing of vodka, tomato juice, and other spices like uh, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, garlic, and celery, olives, black pepper, lemon juice, and etc. The main ingredient is vodka, which is 1.5 ounce, and the other like half ounce of lemon juice. For the preparation, add dashes of Worcestershire sauce or salt and pepper into highball glass and pour all ingredient in highball glass with ice cube. Stir gently and garnish with celery stick and lemon wedge. The next one, vodka-based cocktail is Black Russian. For this, we need the ingredient like 2 ounce of vodka and 1 ounce of cola. And the direction is like add all the ingredient in mixing glass with ice and stir until chill. Then strain into old-fashioned glass and serve freshly. And another cocktail based on gin are uh, gin Negroni, gin Martini, and Broken Spur. Negroni. Negroni is one of the popular Italian cocktail based on gin. And for the ingredient, what we need in Negroni are 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of gin, and 1 ounce of sweet red vermouth. And for preparation, we need to stir into glass over ice, garnish and serve. And we serve these drinks in old-fashioned glass. The next one is Broken Spur. This is one of the gin-based cocktail. And for this, the ingredient we need are like white dry port, roti dry gin, Martini Rosso sweet vermouth, NEC liquid, and 1 fresh egg yolk, like 3 sort of dry white port, 1/4 sort of roti dry gin, 1/4 sort of Martini Rosso sweet vermouth, 1/6 sort of anisette liquid, and 1 fresh egg yolk. And for the preparation, we have to shake all ingredients with ice and fine stir into chill glass, and we serve this in martini glass. The next one, gin-based cocktail is dry gin martini. For this, we need ingredient like dry gin 50 ml, vermouth 15 ml, lemon peel 1 twist, and cubed ice. And for preparation, first of all, add cubed ice to mixing glass, then add vermouth, then stir, then pour out excess liquid into a strainer, then add gin, stir for 10 seconds, then stir into a chill martini glass and garnish with a twist of lemon peel, then serve it. The next cocktail based on whiskey are Brown Debris, Bourbon Mojito, and Silver 75. Brown Debris. Brown Debris is one of the whiskey-based cocktail, and the ingredient we need is 1.5 ounce of bourbon and 1 ounce of grapefruit juice and half ounce of honey syrup. And for garnish, we need a grapefruit twist. And the method is we have to add all ingredient into a shaker with ice and shake until well chilled. Then fine stir into a cocktail glass. Then express all the oil from a grapefruit twist and drop into garnish, and then we serve it. And the next one, whiskey-based cocktail is Bourbon Mojito, and the ingredient we need is 5 leaves fresh mint, 2 lime wedge, and 1 ounce of ginger syrup, 2 ounce of bourbon, 3 ounces of club soda, and fresh mint to serve. And also we need ginger syrup, like 1 cup fresh ginger syrup, around 50 gram, and 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of water. And for preparation, in a small saucepan, combine ginger syrup ingredient and boil into a bowl. Lower to simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Strain with a sieve and cool it. Then place a mint and 1 lime wedge in bottom of tall glass, and noodle well and add 1 ounce of ginger syrup and the second lime wedge and muddle again. Top of glass with bourbon, ice and club soda. Stir well and garnish with lime edge and few mint leaves. Then enjoy it. The next one, whiskey based cocktail, is Silver 75. For this ingredient we need are 3 by 4 teaspoon of 4 roses bourbon, half ounce of simple syrup, half ounce of lemon juice, and 4 ounce of sparkling wine. For the preparation, combine bourbon, lemon, and simple syrup in a shaker tin and shake very lightly. Then strain into a wine glass or couple and top with sparkling wine. And then garnish with lemon peel, express, and set on the top of the cocktail. The next one is a rum-based cocktail. The rum-based cocktail are like rum bubbly, monkey business, and Morse code. Rum bubbly. Rum bubbly is one of the rum-based cocktail, and the ingredient we need for this cocktail are half ounce of spirity caramel rock and rum, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1.4 ounce of ginger beer, and 1 orange peel for garnish. And for preparation, combine rum, lime juice, and maple syrup in a shaker except, and add ice and shake until chill. Then strain over fresh ice and in a double rock glass. Then top with ginger beer and garnish with an orange peel. The next one rum-based cocktail is mojito. For this, the ingredients we need are 10 ml of sugar syrup, 25 ml of fresh lime juice, and 5 ml of soda water, 50 ml of Cuban rum, and 1 spring mint leaf, and 3 dashes Augusta bitter. And for preparation, first of all, add the sugar syrup, fresh lime juice, soda water, and rum to the high bowl glass. Then stir it. Then add a sprig of mint leaves and lightly press them into the glass. Top up with crushed ice and muddle using a bar spoon. Top up with the crushed ice. Then add Augusta bitter and then garnish with a sprig of mint. Top up with a small amount of soda water. Then serve it. The next one, rum-based cocktail, is rum punch. The ingredients we need for this rum punch are 10 ml of lime juice, 25 ml of grenadine, 50 ml of Jamaican rum, 25 ml of orange juice, 25 ml of pineapple juice. And for the preparation, first of all we have to add lime juice, grenadine, rum, and fruit juice to a Boston shaker. Then add ice cube. Then shake it. Then strain into a sealed tall glass. Then top up with a cube ice, and then garnish with pineapple leaves and grated nutmegs. Then we serve it. And the next one is tequila based cocktail. The tequila based cocktail are like Marble Queen, 21st Century, and Mystic Marble. One of the tequila based cocktail is the Marble Queen, and the ingredient we need for this Marble Queen are 1.5 ounce of Milagro tequila and 1 ounce of Coco Lopez cream of coconut and half ounce of lime juice. And for the preparation, we have to combine all the ingredients and shake over ice. Serve with the salt and spice cream. Then we serve it. The next one, tequila based cocktail, is 21st Century, and for this the ingredients we need are 2 ounce of Maestro Double Blanco tequila and 3 by 4 ounce of Blizzard White Creamy D and 3 by 4 ounce of lemon juice, 1 bar spoon agave. And for preparation, we have to shake all the ingredients with ice and strain into a chilled and rinse cup glass and garnish with a floating lemon wheel and serve it. The next one, tequila based cocktail is the Mystic Marble. And for this, the ingredient we need are 1.5 ounce of Casamigos tequila and 1 ounce of prickly pear puree and 3/4 ounce of agave and 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And for preparation, we have to combine all the ingredients in shaker over ice and shake and strain over fresh ice and garnish with the sour cream and lime. Then we serve it. Uh, these are all cocktail based on vodka, gin, whiskey, rum, and tequila that I explained. And thank you for watching. Thank you.